Westermans here with a Kemper Maxifil. This has got a 3-metre arm on, sold, serviced or as is. At present it's actually showing as is. I say it's 3-metre arm on this. There's an option, additional cost. It's this auto start and stop which connects onto the front of the machine. This will actually allow automatic start and stop of the welder. As the welder starts, the extraction comes on. Nice little function. I'd say auto start and stop. Arm length, which is 3 metres. We also have 4 metres in stock. More details can be found on westermans.com and where you can request prices. Thank you for looking.